Hi everyone, today we're making a cheesecake with a strawberry sauce. Going to be using a pre-made pie crust, but if you don't have one like that and you want to make it from scratch, just crush some graham crackers, add a little butter and sugar, and press it down into the pan. I'll also put a recipe in the description on how to make the pie crust if you don't want to get one that's already made. The first thing is to take 2 cream cheese packs and open it up and go ahead and beat that in a bowl for 3 minutes. Soraya, my daughter, she's helping out. So now we're going to make this cream cheese fluffy. We're going to beat this for 3 minutes. Now it's time to add in 1/3 cup of sugar. And then blend that for 2 minutes. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Here it is. I'm going to blend that in. I also have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add in 1 egg at a time. We have 4 eggs. So I'm going to add in 1 at a time and blend. It's really important that you add 1 at a time. I feel like that's the most important part of making a cheesecake, or else if for some reason if you add them all at once, it will come out lumpy. So here's the pie shell. We're just going to fill it up. I might have some extras left over. I guess I can add a tiny bit more. Now we're going to bake this at 325 for 1 hour to 1.5 hours. I have a package of muffins. I'm just going to blend this powder in and I'll just make some cupcakes with it. You never want to let any extra cream cheese mixture go to waste. So here is a good idea with your leftover. If you have any leftover cream cheese mixture, another idea I like to make is like a little mini cheesecake. And so the cheesecake is done. That's how it looks. It looks really delicious. And now it's time to work on a strawberry sauce. I'm going to go ahead and cut this lemon. I cut this here. I'm just going to squeeze it out to get that juice. We need 1/3 cup of sugar. You can use fresh strawberries or frozen strawberries, but today I'm using frozen strawberries. So here's my frozen strawberries. And I thawed them out a bit. I thawed them out. You want to throw away the frozen water. We have our sugar, our lemon juice, and I just want to stir it up. And you can also crush down some of those berries. And you're going to want to mix this up until it gets a little thick. So it's been about 5 minutes now. And now I'm going to go ahead and puree this. So it's nice and smooth. Okay, so I'm flipping it over. Like that. And then we get another plate and flip it. So there's how it looks. And now here is our strawberry sauce. That cakes, yeah, it was very nice there. It's very beautiful. Here's my taste tester. She's been waiting for a long time.
Yes, extra. Perfect.
Thank you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. We have a lot of other cooking videos on our channel.